अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे। इस वक्त एयर हेडकोार्टर्स में तकरीब जारी है। आप देख सकते हैं इस्लामाबाद में एयर हेडकोार्टर्स में 27 फरवरी के हवाले से पुरवकार तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया है। तकरीब के मनाजिर इस वक्त आप मुलाहिजा कर सकते हैं।
Recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قاتلوهم يعذبهم الله بأيديكم ويخزهم وينصركم عليهم ويشفي صدور قوم مؤمنين ويذهب غيظ قلوبهم ويتوب الله على من يشاء والله عليم حكيم. صدق الله العظيम. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। इन कुफ्फार से जंग करो ताकि अल्लाह तुम्हारे हाथों से इनको सज़ा दिलवाए, इन्हें रुसवा करे, इनके ख़िलाफ़ तुम्हारी मदद करे और मोमिनों के दिल ठंडे कर दे और इनके दिल की कुड़न दूर कर दे और जिसकी चाहे तौबा कबूल करे। और अल्लाह का इल्म भी कामिल है और हिकमत भी कामिल। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।
The national anthem of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
قامت ترانب سلام فن Vijay! Funk! Sajjid! Asad! Push!
Ladies and gentlemen,
to commemorate Operation Swift Retort and acknowledge the bravery of gallant air warriors of Pakistan Air Force, two symbolic formations will present a flypast in front of you. The first formation to appear on the venue is known as Swift Retort Formation, comprising F-16, JF-17, and Mirage aircraft. This formation symbolizes the success of Operation Swift Retort and the courage of Pakistan Air Force in this standoff with arch rivals. This formation is a symbol of bravery, courage, and sheer professionalism. The second formation today comprises of 3 JF-17 Thunders from number 16 Squadron, the Black Panthers. This formation symbolizes the great resolve of Pakistan Air Force to defend the aerial frontiers and national sovereignty of Pakistan at all times and all costs. Ladies and gentlemen, today the Swift Retort formation is being led by Wing Commander Buzdar, officer commanding number 29 Aggressor Squadron. Flying with him in the F-16B model is Squadron Leader Hassan Siddiqui, Tamgai Jurat. Let me remind you, this is the same squadron which was previously commanded by Wing Commander Noman Ali Khan, who shot down Abhinandan's aircraft. And I present the historic Swift Retort formation. Ladies and gentlemen, after this flypast, it's now time for the 3-ship JF-17 Thunders to present a linear bomb burst in front of you. The Black Panther formation is led by Wing Commander Adnan Mahmood, Flight Commander Operations number 16 Squadron. Flying on the right wing is Squadron Leader Bilal Shaukat, and on the left is Squadron Leader Hassan Khalid. Keep your eyes focused on the horizon as the 3-ship JF-17 Thunders will be appearing any moment from now. Here comes the linear bomb burst by the Black Panthers. Ladies and gentlemen, be it day or night, Pakistan Air Force is always ready to defend the aerial boundaries and give a befitting response to the enemies of motherland.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Respected former Air Chiefs, Vice Chief of Air Staff, Principal Staff Officers, PF veterans, men and women in blue, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. We have gathered to commemorate our resounding victory in Operation Swift Retort, when Pakistan Air Force, living up to its legacy, yet again made its mark through professional excellence and valor. Indeed, a prompt, measured, and surprising response busted the aggressors' arrogance. No doubt, our success is attributed to blessings of Allah Almighty, decades-long hard work,
investment in PF operational capacity by our predecessors, and the heroic acts of our personnel. Let there be no doubt that PF is and would remain reassuring fundamental of national defense. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has been facing diversified challenges, including economic constraints, active involvement in war on terror, and difficulties in technological acquisition. Despite these, PF has continued on the path of professional consolidation over the last 2 decades. While we solidified our professional training, capability enhancement remained our primary pursuit through indigenization. Today, our platforms, complemented by advanced precision-guided weaponry, fully illustrate successful realization of our homegrown technological pursuits. Alongside, we placed special emphasis on human resource development and force multipliers in making robust architecture of Pakistan Air Force. As a result, we stand as fully integrated force that is hard-hitting and focused on its mission. I am proud that patriotic, dedicated, and competent men and women in Pakistan Air Force believe in invincible defense of the country in complete synergy with sister services. My comrades, while I assure Pakistani nation on the preparedness of PF to counter threats, we will not compromise on sovereignty or territorial integrity of Pakistan. Remember, professionally we are second to none. Alongside other services, PF remains poised to the defense of Pakistan. Our human resource has been well-tuned with all spectrum threats. More significant in last year, February, was your professional superiority and lethality. We performed as a team. In that, Allah provided me an opportunity to lead a team of devoted and professional comrades. We also highly value the sentiments of our veterans and Pakistani citizens for volunteering their services during testing times. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan Air Force is one of the most respected and responsible air forces of a peace-loving country. Prior to aggression last year, our national leadership had made it amply clear that no misadventure against Pakistan would ever go unresponded. Today, I reiterate that commitment and caution to respond to the aggressor was our compulsion, but measured and calibrated response was entirely our choice. Make no mistake, PF, when responds to irresponsible act, we may not always exercise restraint. While celebrating first anniversary of the Operation Swift Retort, we are alive to the plight of Kashmiri brothers. Pakistan remains fully committed to their justified cause of independence and right to self-determination. We stand by the Kashmiri people at all times and will extend them moral, political, and diplomatic support. It is time that human rights violations and the longest curfew ever in the Indian-occupied Kashmir must come to an end. Ladies and gentlemen, while I appreciate all the branches and personnel for their dedicated efforts and active role during Operation Swift Retort, I urge each one of you to channel your energies wholeheartedly for the development of the country and this elite organization, Pakistan Air Force. I We'll take this opportunity to also commend the positive role of Pakistani media for countering false Indian rhetoric while upholding your professional ethics and ethos. May Allah Almighty guide our efforts and give us strength to come up to the nation's expectations. Ameen. Pakistan Air Force Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
Hold! Shoot!
Now the national standard would march out.
All are to rise when it passes in front of you, and all those in uniform are to salute.
This is good! Battle! Funk! This is good! Donnie! Hit! This is good! Pakistan! Jaan!